it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got something really interesting and instant. This is Bestwa corn bihun. It's hot and spicy flavor. These are corn vermicelli. It's vermicelli made from corn. Indeed, look at that. That's what it looks like. Really light, thin. And what's different about this than, at least from what I've found, from rice vermicelli, this stuff doesn't end up so dry. And that's kind of a nice aspect to it. The other stuff, like rice vermicelli, ends up, as I just said, kind of dry. So this is like a combination of sweet potato noodle or sweet potato vermicelli and rice vermicelli. The sweet potato vermicelli is super mushy and gunky, and this isn't. This is more, it's like rice vermicelli that's more moist. I don't know how to put it other than that, but it's good. It's actually really good. And I'm pretty sure this pack is gluten free. It's also low cal. Doesn't it say on here? I know it does. I think it's like 250 calories or something like that. But it's a decent meager ring. Their stuff is good. I really enjoy Bestwa products. Ding! Yeah. Actually, I do. Nice folks. Very nice people. Someday to Indonesia I will go. That would be fun. Well, I hope everybody's having a good day today. If not, then fix that immediately. Not having a good day really rubs me the wrong way. So don't do that. Have a good day. Yeah. Do it. Oh, I could use the red plate, but the red plate's too reflective. I was thinking red plate for a second there, but I'm going to use this one. This one's a really trippy, kind of deep dish. Okay, we rinse our noodle. Put it in. And we look into the pot. There is our vermicelli. Look at that. It's all fluffy like rice. Pretty neat. This is the third one I'm doing this morning. 9:24 in the a.m. here in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington, where courtesy is contagious. Some might say where courtesy goes to die, but you know, hopefully it won't. I think the deal is, if you give a place like a title that sounds like, oh, it's going to be so nice and peaceful and wonderful and everybody's going to be good, they won't be. It's like, if you have a kid, don't name them happiness. Because that's just like dooming them to sadness. I don't know, things don't seem to work out the way that people want them to when it comes to nomenclature, I guess. When I was growing up, there was a guy I knew. His name was Justice, and he was a real jerk. And you know where he ended up? Learning all about justice. Yeah. It's too bad, too. But, you know. It could have been a contender, but I don't think that worked out so well. hopefully everybody everywhere is having a great day. I know I am. I am almost done. Here is Noodle. Let's give it a try. So it's sweet and it's spicy. Mmm. Groove-tacular. I will say I think I like the original better, but this certainly is good. You know me, I like my spicy, but I think it detracts from the... So this vermicelli does have a hint of a taste of corn, and I kind of like that aspect of it, and you kind of get more of a feel of that in the original. It is kind of difficult to plate, I will say that. Can we be kind to old Ramen Raider guy? I'm gonna go with that. I know. Oh wait, there's more. Alright, now you be kind. Because you should be more in the middle. Right, yeah. Oh, look, you're just skating around here. Being a happy egg. Thank you, sir. Hi. There's that. We'll put a little bit of that on. Click, 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 click. Just add a piece of coriander like that, I think. Maybe a little pinch of sesame seed. Not a lot. Kind of want to keep that egg rather unscathed. But yeah, if you end up finding this, I highly recommend you give it a try because it's something new and different and good, which I recommend. Those attributes, yes. Well, thanks to everybody over at Best Walk for sending this stuff over. It's been a little while, but I wanted to save this one for the right day, and today was it. So there you go. So the next one I'm doing is this Samyang Foods Vegetasty Noodle Soup. It's vegan friendly, and I got some things to say about this one. So yeah, catch it on the next episode. This has been Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.